This is Shan from PD Laptop Bazaar Service. Today I will show how to replace HP 15cc 1550X battery. Leave the laptop and unscrew all the screws from the laptop back part according to the video. Then open the DVD slot and carefully open the back part with an opener. Now unscrew the battery from the laptop. This laptop only supports TF03XL battery, so be careful that you are replacing TF03XL battery. Do not touch the other part of the laptop and pull out the battery carefully. Now clean internal dust with a clean brush carefully. Take a new TF03XL battery and replace it as it's shown in the video. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe our channel.